Unlock the power of efficiency. Keep things brisk. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that can add a dash of dynamism to your conversations and professional interactions. Keep things brisk. Understanding this expression is key to mastering the art of effective communication. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of this powerful phrase together. Keep things brisk is a phrase that encapsulates the idea of maintaining speed and efficiency in our actions or discussions. The word brisk itself suggests activity that is energetic, quick, and lively. When we say, keep things brisk, we're essentially encouraging a pace that is fast-moving but not rushed, ensuring that activities or conversations are conducted in a timely, efficient manner without dawdling. Why stress on keeping things brisk? In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. Whether in a business meeting, a classroom setting, or even casual conversations, being able to communicate and operate briskly can save time, enhance productivity, and make interactions more engaging. It reflects a person's ability to focus on the essentials and move forward without unnecessary delay, which is highly valued in many professional and social contexts. 1. Set clear objectives. Before any meeting or conversation, know what you aim to achieve. This clarity keeps discussions focused. 2. Be prepared. Gather your thoughts or materials in advance. Preparation minimizes downtime and keeps the momentum going. 3. Encourage participation. Engage others by asking direct questions and fostering an environment where everyone feels comfortable contributing. This keeps the energy levels high. 4. Limit distractions. Minimize anything that could derail the conversation or activity. This includes silencing phones or choosing a quiet location. 5. Time management. Allocate specific times for different parts of a discussion or activity, and try to stick to these time limits to maintain a brisk pace. While keeping things brisk is beneficial, it's crucial to distinguish it from being rushed. A rushed approach can lead to mistakes, misunderstandings, and stress. The art of keeping things brisk lies in finding the right pace that ensures efficiency without compromising the quality of the interaction or outcome. It's about moving forward with purpose and precision, not haste. We hope this exploration of the phrase, keep things brisk, has been enlightening and that you can now appreciate the value of maintaining a lively yet efficient pace in various aspects of your life. Remember, being brisk is about more than just speed. It's about effectiveness, engagement, and focus. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where time and clarity are of the essence, remember to keep things brisk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video.